Hello everyone. So this is one of the tasks what we are covering in our Pega Mastery program. So that is by default there must be one single button, and on click of this button we have to get some data from this data table. And this table we are having like student details with respect to graduation. Now if we click on this, we have to get the data completely segregated as per the graduation. So BSc students, BTech likewise, what are all the graduations we have, according to the data must be segregated. Now here the first person like Ramu, I'm changing this to something like BBA, which is not available in the current list, right? So let me save this. And if I click on again this button, Ramu has to be removed from BSc, or Ramu has to be removed from the current one, MCA, and has to be added to BBA. Click on this. So at the last you can see something like Ramu getting added, and likewise. So let me change Rajesh to MTech. Click on save. Again run this. So Rajesh earlier it was like maybe BTech or whatever. Now he's tagged to MTech. So if you're trying to make any modifications in the table, automatically this data has to be modified. This is the task. So very important thing. You can just give a try. So if you want to get master in such kind of tasks, then you can just call us for our Pega Mastery program. Thank you everyone.